to be part of our family. Our family. Our family.
Whose family are we going to meet today? Honu's! Honu is 4 years old. He lives with his mum and cat, Katini, in a town by a river. He often visits his grandparents who live close by.
Yay! Let's do the Lulu dance. Ready?
I wonder what they're up to today. Honu and Mum are walking in the woods. The mud's very squelchy today.
I'm making footprints.
Honu likes to pretend that there are imaginary creatures called trolls living in the woods.
I know there's a troll bridge around here somewhere.
I've just spotted something.
What have you spotted?
A troll bridge.
Where? I think the troll's at home.
They live in a different home.
They're not there today.
No.
We better creep quietly.
They're on
over the bridge
holiday.
anyway. They're on holiday.
There's only one.
There's only
And
one
that
troll.
is a big monster daddy one.
Big monster daddy troll.
Yeah.
And where is he? Is he here?
Yes.
Come on, let's go and find it. Let's be brave explorers.
Off to find the big troll, but Honu is playing at hiding.
Where's Honu? Honu! Oh, I hope he hasn't been eaten by a troll.
Boo!
Oh, there you are. Come on. Good hiding.
I wonder if the monster troll is under this bridge. If he is, Honu knows just what to do.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Are you tickling the troll if it's under the bridge?
Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle,
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Is that the troll laughing?
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
I reckon there's more than one troll down there.
One more bridge to cross. Is the big troll here?
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Make sure you get right down and tickle him. Can you look down and see underneath? Is he under there?
Honu has scared him away with his tickling stick.
Go and get down and have a look. Is he gone?
Honu makes sure nothing there.
Oh, there you are. No trolls?
No, none.
You've tickled him away. Well done. No trolls under this bridge. Here, look at this. If you hold them together,
Mum is showing Honu how to make a leaf dragon.
can you make one of your own? You've got your own woodland dragon.
Wow, the leaf dragon is breathing fire.
Hello, little dragon. Do you want to stay here on this bench or do you want to come home with us?
Come home with us.
You're going to come home with us. Why don't you tell it where we're going to put it at home?
Oh, I don't mind it in my bedroom
Yeah?
with my conkers and stuff.
Do you want to go and stay in Honu's bedroom with his conkers?
Yes.
Yeah, see, you can hear him, can't you? Come on, woodland dragon, let's go.
Almost out of the woods. But what's this?
Isn't this the troll's holiday home? Can you get inside there?
Oh,
No trolls here either.
no.
Time to go home. What an exciting adventure.
Should we go back to our house?
Yeah.
Yeah? Follow the dragon home. Should we follow him?
Yeah.
Follow the dragon.
Who's this visiting Honu? It's his friend Ella. Honu's mum has a fun game for them to play in the garden.
Right.
We're hunting for any sorts of animals we find. Well, we hunt for animals in the sand pit.
Well, it's an animal hunt or a dinosaur hunt. Right, cover them all up. And let's see who can find the most dinosaurs or animals. Oh, what have you found there, Ella? Hey, Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Boo! Hey, look what I just searched.
It's a rhinoceros.
Ah, one of these. Ah, dinosaur is
A
that.
tiger.
Oh, ah. Let's see if anything's in it. I just found this. It's a deer.
A deer. They're very sandy, aren't they?
Found.
Oh, there's something over here.
And I got here. Okay, Ian had the dinosaur. I found the dinosaur first. I just found this.
Oh, wow, zebra.
Zebra. Pancake. Pancake. Do you want a pancake?
Sand pancakes wouldn't taste very nice, Honu.
Do you think that's everything?
All the toy animals have been found, but here comes a real
Oh,
one.
here comes the cat.
Katini the cat.
Yeah, of course you can.
He's in the sand. It's just like Dave.
Like Dave, like the cat Dave in your garden, yeah.
He doesn't live here.
Oh no, it's starting to rain, so Katini is off.
He's going to go up the tree. Cats don't like rain.
Cats don't like rain. Right, Ella, I bet he'll be in soon.
And it's time for everyone else to go in too.
It's really pretty.
Cat's not out for long.
It's still raining outside, so Honu and Ella decide to make pizza for lunch.
Right, should we make little ones?
No, big one.
Okay.
That's as big as I want it to be.
That's as big as you want it. So the first thing we're going to do, isn't it? What goes first on a pizza?
Bananas. No, tomato sauce. I'm going Dart. I'm blowing a dart. I've got a dart on you.
Oh, no, don't put it on each other. Ella might not like that.
The tomato paste goes on top of the pizza, Honu.
Is that nice?
It's not a spoon for the cheese.
Look, Ella's put a happy face on. And some more cheese on yours, Ella? Or are you just going to cook it like that?
Honu prefers eating the ham than putting it on his pizza.
Right, who's ready to put theirs in the oven? Oh, wow, is that hair? That's excellent, Ella.
Mine is a funny-faced monster.
I wonder why all the ham has gone. Where's all the ham gone, Honu?
I ate it all.
You ate it all. Okay, so no ham for the pizzas. See how your pizza monster goes, shall we, Honu?
My pizza monster loves children, and whenever people tell my pizza monster their name's Honu, my pizza monster won't eat the people called Honu.
Ah, so you have to say that your name is Honu. Okay, I'm going to go and put these in the oven now, and we'll leave them for 10 minutes.
Just a nibble on the corn whilst the pizzas cook.
You're not going to want to eat any pizza after that, are you, Honu? Here's the buzzer.
Wow, those pizzas look very tasty.
Would you like me to help you cut it up?
Yeah.
I'm surprised Honu is still hungry after eating all the toppings.
O's already started.
I know, she's already eating hers, isn't she? Is it good, Ella? Could I try a piece of yours, Honu?
The best thing about making food is eating it.
You can eat all of that bit if you want.
It's not raining, and Honu and Ella are going karting.
Now I'm just going to keep going zooming. And I'm going to go, woo! I'll go so fast I would even fall off.
Their other friend Jacob is joining them.
Got a big hug, Jacob?
Oh, big fender.
Should we go through?
Yeah!
They change into special clothes and get into their carts, ready to race.
I'm over here so I can go past you. I'm the fastest. No! Oh, yeah! No!
Drivers ready, and they're off. Watch out, Jacob. Here comes Honu.
You have to do better than that.
The mums keep a careful eye on the race.
Concentrate. Oh no.
Here comes Ella, looking to take the lead.
Burn the car!
Bump!
Jacob, I'm right behind you. Oh, I'm
It's a very close race. The checkered flag means the race has finished.
Hey, how was that?
Good.
Good.
The proud parents watch the award ceremony, and the winner is all of them! What a great way to end the day! I wonder who we're going to meet next time on Our Family.